Okay, today we're going to check the bees out. It's been about 4 days, I think, since we last looked at it, and I did that bee trickery. And I've got some new frames over there with wax on it. And so the original hive, I'm going to see if I can steal some frames out of there with some honey on it. Not sure if I will, but we'll see what happens. And the frames I do take, I'll just replace with those. They're plastic frames, but they got beeswax on them. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I'll show you as we go. There those flow hives. Got the smoky going and getting gloved up. Those other bees over there, they got a bit nasty the other week. I'm not quite happy with their behaviour, but the guy I deal with, I've spoken to him about it, and he said if they still kept getting upset, there's a red gum flaring over there, so every chance they're going to be spicy. But anyway, we'll see what happens. Yeah. Okay, there's a bit of activity out the front, but it's all quiet at the rest of the front. There's guard beads there, right there. I can see the little devils, but anyway, we'll get back to that shortly. I've just got another glove to put on, and then we'll open them up, see if those bees have migrated up the top there and started working that beeswax. Right, just give them a bit of smoke, but they're getting a bit, there's your father. Yeah, give a bit more. Just settle down, guys. Just can't be fun. Right, I'll take this top off and we'll check it out. Oh, they're up the top there. That's a good sign. Oh yeah, it looks like they've been busy. I'll just put that cover down. That's it, bees on the bottom. That's a good sign. Bit of propolis there, that's good. Okay, bit of smoke. Calm down, guys. Get rid of those dead ones. Okay, here we go. See if I can get this packaging out these gloves on. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that. There's activity there, and they're liking it, I think. They're starting to work that cable, they're getting a bit feisty. That's alright, at this point I've got a bit of cover. Right, they can go back. Oh, trying to be careful. So that's good. What about this one here? I did 3, didn't I? Top 3 ones. Bloody gloves. Okay. Yeah, a bit of activity there. That's on the other side. Oh, they're starting to move it. So that's a good thing, but they're encouraged. They're up there now, so that's a good thing. Oops, got that. Now, okay, so that's that one. I'll leave that alone, put them back. They can go back on there. Try not to squash them. Got a bit feisty. Calm down, girls. Good smoke. This can't be farms. That's a good sign. So they're up there. So that's good. There's none of that before. So I'm going to make sure I get this in the right way. I'll put this on there. Okay, I'll go around the back now. Yeah, plenty of pollen on it. Okay, so I'll open this up. Let it stay there. Have a look in here. Yeah. Bit of action. That bee shouldn't be there. That's alright. The other way. Little strap. Right. Set that up. Okay. Close this up. Now I'll take that top off. And it can stay up there for the moment. Put that up there. Now this top can come off. There's that special tool. Just push it down. Right, that gives you an idea. So all that brood and eggs and that will be right in those few frames there. That's why they're hanging around. I'll give them a bit of smoke. Look off, girls. Go down. Bit of smoke. Relax. Let's try and blow a little bit over them. I'll get out of the way. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, so I'll get that in there. Within reach. Okay, now we can go there. Let's try and find the queen. That's always an interesting exercise. Get this one out. That should come out easy. Nothing going on there. I don't have a bloody room. There you better at this. Put that over there. Okay. Next one. Try not to squash anyone. Got the special tool down. Okay, here we go. Calm down, calm down. Righto. Yeah, they're doing that. That's there is pollen, I believe. Now I can't see that queen. She's got a mark on her back. You silly girls, stay calm. Okay, next one. Ooh. What's going on there? Oh, there's brood. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I don't know if you can see that. That's brood and there's I forget what they're called now, but anyway, what I'm seeing is good. I don't know if you can see it, but in there is larvae. Larvae. So that's good. So she's doing her thing. So apparently it's very valuable. There she is. There, so that green spot, that's the queen. So she's doing her thing, that's good. We know she's alive. Excellent. So they are concentrating in the middle of the brood chamber, which is what they're meant to do apparently. Not that I'm an expert, but anyway, giving it a crack. And I think the bee space is good. Yeah, there's a thing called bee space. And someone figured it out. I don't know who. Thanks for somebody's right into it. Gotta get that right. Someone looks a bit on the piss, but anyway. Okay, I'm quite happy with that. Right, so we know the queen's there. We know the queen's there. Go away. Shoot those bees out of the way. Go on, Nick off. Okay, that's the queen excluder, so she can't get up above that into there. So I'll put you down and I'll get this back on. Okay, so that's back on. Put this back on. Don't matter. Just wait. That's that. I think that's just that hole is for. I think you put food in here, something or other, at some point. I'm all new to this. I'm still learning. Like sugar or syrup. I don't know. Right, so that's right. They should be right. That queen's in there. This is right. The queen's in there. It's doing the thing. We've seen larvae, we've seen eggs, and brood. I'll put you down. Okay, we're going to open that one up. That's the original hive. And we'll see what's going on there. Okay. Right. Just open up this original hive now. Bit of smoke. Get them calm down. Not any attacks. I'll put the lid over there and I'll see what's going on. I don't know if you can see that, but they're drying that out, so that's good. There's no bees on that one. Right, I'll put that back. Oh no, they can go over there. That's out of the way. Special tool. Okay. Calm down, girls. Okay. Yeah, they're drawing that hard. That's good. There's all sorts of action going on there. I like that. That's good. That's a positive sign. I've got to remember how these go. Okay, that's there. And that one. Calm down. Yeah, doing comb. That's what it should be doing. This one was the first, this top super was the first one I put in. That's like, that was there, but I put another one in just to give them room. And that was good. This one's quite heavy. That there. Okay. Oh, that's getting full of honey. That's a good thing. Oh, watch out, bees, get out. Scat, there we go. So that's getting filled up with honey, which is good. Have a look on the other side. Yep, more honey, nectar. Oh, might be honey, I don't know. And they're just checking it out. They keep it, well, it's got the moisture content, and the honey's got to be about between 16 and 19, maybe 20. And they're clever enough to know that when it gets to that moisture area, they cap it and she's good to go. I'll put that back. That's bloody heavy. That's cool. Okay, that's back. Nothing there. They're behaving themselves today. Nothing there. Drawing. Okay. Shut that up. I can go back up there. I feel as though I should clean this up. I'll put you down as we get back to you. That stuff there, I think that should be cleaned up, and it discourages them from doing it. So I'll just get that sorted out and I'll get back to you.